BWT robots for simply perfect pools. BWT robots feature the strongest suction on the market. BWT robots are fitted with 2 ultra-fine filtration cartridges. With their PVA brushes and wheels, BWT robots easily navigate any type of surface. Optimizes the robot's cleaning cycle. Thanks to its powerful suction and fast scan rate, the cleaning cycle is short. BWT robots are perfect for beautiful pools of any shape or size. Finished with liners, reinforced membranes or tiles, even polyester pools. The robotic pool cleaner features an adjustable handle. This robot cleans the pool floor, the walls and the waterline. Fitted with a long cable that features an anti-tangle swivel. BWT robots are extremely reliable thanks to a hard-wearing gear transmission, dual motorization for precision travel and a powerful pump to pick up debris. Take control at any time to direct your robot or let it run alone. Lounge poolside while your robot does all the work. Fast and rapid cleaning. BWT has created 3 robotic pool cleaners in this range for simply perfect pools.